The Tata Estate, a name that once stood for luxury, space, and practicality, is making a grand comeback in 2025. Tata Motors is bringing back this legendary station wagon, reimagined for the modern era with cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and sustainable mobility. The all-new 2025 Tata Estate is here, combining nostalgia with the future of automotive innovation. For those who remember the original Tata Estate from the 90s, it was one of the most premium and spacious vehicles of its time. Inspired by European luxury station wagons, it set a benchmark for practicality and comfort. Now, in 2025, Tata Motors has revived the Estate with an all-electric powertrain, futuristic design, and a level of sophistication never seen before in its segment. At first glance, the 2025 Tata Estate commands attention with its sleek and elegant design. While it pays tribute to its predecessor with its long body style and premium aesthetic, it also incorporates modern elements that make it truly stand out. The signature Tata front grille is now more refined, seamlessly blending with the new LED headlamp setup. The sharp lines, aerodynamic profile, and bold alloy wheels give it a dynamic and sporty character, while the long roofline ensures that the Estate retains its station wagon DNA. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar enhances its premium look, and the sculpted tailgate provides a blend of style and functionality. The Estate isn't just about good looks, it's designed with practicality in mind. A power-operated tailgate, a low-loading lip, and a spacious boot make it an ideal car for long journeys, family trips, and everyday convenience. Step inside, and the 2025 Tata Estate welcomes you with a tech-laden, luxurious cabin. The first thing you'll notice is the spaciousness, plenty of legroom, premium materials, and an uncluttered dashboard that combines technology with elegance. The Estate is equipped with a curved, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring you always have the latest software features and navigation improvements. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time information on driving range, battery status, and vehicle diagnostics. A heads-up display projects vital information onto the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road while staying informed. Tata has also incorporated a premium 14-speaker JBL audio system, delivering an immersive sound experience for music lovers. The seats in the Estate are crafted for ultimate comfort, with ventilated and heated options for both front and rear passengers. The premium upholstery, a combination of sustainable leather and high-quality fabric, reflects Tata's commitment to eco-friendly luxury. Ambient lighting in the cabin creates a soothing atmosphere, and multiple USB-C charging ports ensure that all passengers can stay connected on the go. Now, let's talk about what powers the new Tata Estate. The 2025 model is an all-electric vehicle, featuring Tata's latest Ziptron EV technology. Equipped with a high-capacity 75 kWh battery pack, the Estate delivers an impressive range of 500+ kilometers on a single charge. Whether you're driving through city traffic or heading out on a highway road trip, the Tata Estate is designed to go the distance without range anxiety. Performance is just as exciting as the range. The dual-motor all-wheel drive setup ensures instant torque and smooth acceleration, making the Estate both powerful and efficient. With 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in just 6.5 seconds, it's no longer just a practical car, it's a fun-to-drive machine that brings excitement to every journey. Charging the Estate is convenient and fast. It supports DC fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in just 40 minutes. Additionally, the vehicle features regenerative braking, which recovers energy when slowing down, improving efficiency and extending the driving range. Tata Motors has equipped the 2025 Estate with an array of advanced safety features. It includes autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for effortless maneuvering. The Estate also features Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities, assisting the driver with braking, steering, and acceleration in certain conditions, making long highway drives stress-free. Another innovative feature is the vehicle-to-load V2L technology, allowing you to use the car's battery to power external devices like camping equipment, power tools, or even another EV in an emergency. This makes the Estate perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, and professional use. The estate is not just about being an electric vehicle, it's about sustainable innovation. Tata Motors has ensured that its production involves eco-friendly materials, from the upholstery to the use of recycled plastics in the cabin. The zero-emission powertrain makes it an environmentally responsible choice, reducing carbon footprints while still delivering an exhilarating driving experience. For tech-savvy owners, the Tata estate comes with an advanced connected car system, accessible via the Tata Motors mobile app. Through the app, users can remotely check battery status and range, precondition the cabin temperature, lock and unlock the car, locate nearby charging stations, schedule software updates. With its generous boot space of over 700 liters, the Tata estate is perfect for those who need ample cargo capacity without compromising on style or performance. The rear seats can be folded down in a 60/40 split, offering flexible storage solutions for everything from suitcases to outdoor gear. Tata Motors has priced the 2025 estate competitively, making it an attractive choice for families, business professionals, and travel enthusiasts looking for an EV that blends practicality with luxury. Additionally, government incentives for electric vehicles further enhance its affordability, reducing the overall cost of ownership. With Tata's growing EV charging infrastructure, the 2025 estate becomes an even more practical option for Indian consumers. The brand's extensive service network ensures that maintenance and support are always within reach. The 2025 Tata estate is not just a comeback, it's a revolution. It takes the legacy of the original estate and transforms it into a vehicle designed for the future. It's stylish, it's spacious, it's electric, and it's ready to redefine the station wagon segment. So, are you ready to experience the next generation Tata estate? Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to embark on a journey where classic meets innovation. The future of estate cars has arrived, and it's electric, intelligent, and unmistakably Tata.